Hello, hi. Welcome to the Lipstick Chat. We are back with a quick update of Sibongile and the Dlaminis. Usangweni ke decided to go and just go AWOL, right? In him going AWOL, uwenzo kwahlangana wamthola. Ekumtholeni kwakhe uwenzo wachila naye wamduduza waba he the brother or the friend that he needed. While uwenzo was doing that, wasibongile wafika wakwata wathrow ama-tantrums. Usibongile said he's not ready to lose Ukwenzo, but the way she's acting, girl, mina I don't get. But maybe ke ngoba yistory. I wathrow ama-tantrums ugirl wamtshela ukuthi when you needed support, when you needed to be heard, you went to other girls, so you cannot want to support me. But when I was supposed to support you, I could not be that support structure. She forgets ukuthi when it was her time to support Ukwenzo, huye bekaya le nale ajika enza izinto ezi-snacks. I don't understand uSibongile, but niyamthanda-ke mina ngizawuthini. And then kube indaba yokuthi umngcwabo finally happened, right? At the funeral, uPhetheni was there, uPhetheni spoke. And I'm asking myself, okay, fine, uPhetheni spoke under whose permission? Shouldn't Usamke be the one that was speaking? Because I don't know. I just, it doesn't make sense. But ke uPhetheni spoke at the funeral and she spoke nicely. But her mom was at the funeral and like nje they had a quarrel and things did not go well. Umama khona ke aphuze njengenjwayelo sekaphuzile sekakhipha indaba azatshela uSamke ukuthi uPhetheni uye wachitha. I was so bored, like the storyline nje siyangibhora nje sokumama wesilima. But nonetheless, she decided to do that, and we all know ukuthi uSamke is going to use it against uPhetheni, or she's just going to get this marriage to fall apart because of her cheating. And we all know that even though Usibalikhulu cheated and has a child in the marriage from his cheating, he's still going to throw tantrums and want to leave uPhetheni for cheating. Sharp. Fine. Uwewe uwenzeni nobhuti wakhe uThemba, they are back together after uMavis intervened and told uThemba a story from her childhood and told him ukuthi she grew up without brother wakhe and they were not close, but now that the brother is no more, she feels ukuthi, or she wishes ukuthi they could have spent more days having fun than fighting. So vele ayi laba bayilungisa i-relationship yabo seba right, sebayazwana, which will make vele uSibalikhulu very happy because all he wants is for them to get along as his children. Now question, because Uwewe is jealous by nature, what if something nice again happens for uThemba? Will she not sabotage?